Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share the October Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. This month's box arrived pretty much on time, so I'm excited to be able to still share it with you while it is October. And there are some fun things inside, so let's get it opened up. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this month's box. The title card says Dream Big. I wasn't able to figure this one out, I have to be honest. But there are a lot of fun things. I always love the fabric. This is actually a collection from Riley Blake, and it's a new to me designer. I'm just gonna unwrap this so we can look at all the fabrics. And it's got some really fun prints, and I feel like it really does have a good, nice fall look to it. So yeah, I love this. I love this top print, just absolutely gorgeous. Text prints are always fun, and it's not often that I see them with a navy background. Some medium-sized florals. This is a really fun geometric print. I like the color of that one too. This large print has to be my favorite. Some really fun colors here. But they do have a hint of fall, I feel like, with the, you know, these golds and the greens and the navies. I feel like it's definitely a fall themed collection. This is a really pretty, this is that large print again. Got two of those. And another text print. And two of those. So yeah, just a really fun collection from Riley Blake. It's called Whimsical Romance, and it's by Kira Job Design Studio. There's also, as always, a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive pattern that goes with the fabric they included, and these patterns you can only get with the box. These aren't for sale on their website. Okay, this is actually something I've been looking at. It's a magic seam wand. It's from June Taylor, and so this is to use a couple different ways. You can use it when you just want to press a seam allowance without getting up and going to the iron, but you can also take this over to the iron with you and use it as you press to keep your fingers from getting burned. So that's a nice notion to have, a magic seam wand. Another fun notion this time is a mini color wheel from C&T Publishing. And I like that this is, you know, something that you can just pack in a bag. Okay, I'm actually going to take this out and show you. It has a lot of information in there, which I feel is super helpful. And then the color wheel will kind of show you all of the different, let's see, how many are there? 12 different combinations that they have. And so just a really nice piece of reference if you're looking for color combinations, and C&T Publishing is for that. This next item, you might think I'm kind of goofy, but because it's such a simple thing, but I am super excited about this. I don't have this. It's a Creative Grids 1.5 inch by 6.5 inch ruler, and I just feel like this is going to be a really nice size when I'm working with small projects, just to have a perfect 1.5 inch and also have it small enough for working with charm squares or mini charms, or, you know, I do a lot of smaller quilts, wall hangings, minis, and I just am really excited to start using this. I have 1.5 inch wide rulers, but they're all 12 inches or longer. So this is going to be a really great size. Okay, this is the little card that just explains everything that's in there. And then last but not least, we have the Bright Side pattern, and this is block number 7. And I've already made it. I just want to show you a couple things about it. I made this one exactly like the pattern. I feel like it's super cute. Happy Days fabrics. You could actually, with the arrow print, you could turn them so they're all going the same way. I had them all pointing in toward the center, and I like how that looked. I did use the Happy Days tone on tone dots out here. Just to show you the pressing directions, it's very neatly pressed on the back, and part of the reason for that is that I did use the Doug Lico mini simple folded corners ruler for doing these sections. You cut the pieces out exactly the same as the pattern tells you, but instead of drawing a line, you just use this ruler and trim it before you sew, and I just feel like that really makes all the difference. This really is a fun block, and I feel like if you're looking for a stash buster block, this would be a really fun one, because you could combine kind of low volume prints and a solid background, and then use your other scraps for these stars. So this would make a really fun quilt just full of these stars, and you could use a whole different variety of different lighter prints for here, and then like a solid or tone on tone for the corner and something else. So just a really, this has to be definitely one of my favorite blocks so far. Okay, and since it's block 7, I believe we have just 5 left for that. And that is everything in the October 2021 Sew Sampler box. Okay, so that's it for the contents of the October Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. Another fun box. I've got all of the individual items listed in the description below, and also you can sign up now. So I've got that link available as well if you want to sign up to get these boxes delivered to your mailbox every month. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.